Hello students, welcome to the Old Time Biometry Show. Today I'm going to show you how to use SPSS, that's Statistical Package for the Social Sciences. And when you first open SPSS, you can look around and try to find a data editor, or you can make a new data editor. That would be going up to here, File, New, Data Editor. I've already got one. Once you've got it, there's one view that looks like a spreadsheet, and then there's another view where you list your variables. We can start out by listing our variables. I'm going to look at this R by C table, and I've got two variables. One is stage, and then the other one is position. So I can write in here stage, and then I need to change this to a string variable. That is, it has letters in it, early and late will be spelled out. And then I need position, and that's also a string variable. I need a third variable, which will be the counts, the number of things in each category. And I can call it anything, but I'll call it count. And that's a numeric variable. Now we can go to data view and enter the data. So see, it's got stage, position, and count. If I slide over here, I can see the counts. The stage is going to be early, 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 late, late, late. And then position is head, head, foot, both. Head, foot, both. And the numbers here, the counts, are 25, 18, 28, 45, 13, and 4. Now I could have typed in early head 25 times on 25 rows, and then early foot 18 times on 18 rows, and early both 28 times on 28 rows, and so on. But that would have been a lot of typing. Now I need to tell SPSS to weight by this count, which means do the analysis as though we had 25 rows. To do that, you go to Data, Weight Cases, and then Weight By, and then enter Count. So now it'll just do it just like there were 4 cases of late both and 13 cases of late foot, and so on. Now we're ready to do the analysis. You go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Crosstabs. For cross-tabulation, that'll give you a contingency table. Our rows are position, our stages are columns. We also want statistics out of this, so you click on Statistics and click on chi-squared. That'll give you chi-squared and the other statistics that we're used to having. So click Continue, OK, and it chugs it along. And then here are the results. It found 133 cases, and here is the contingency table back, and then here are the chi-square tests. Pearson's chi-square, that's the traditional chi-square that we don't use anymore. And then likelihood ratio chi-square, that's G squared. G squared is likelihood ratio. So you could write G squared equals 26.243, degrees of freedom equal 2, and then P is equal to 0.00, not really 1. So why don't we go P is less than 0.001. That's all I have to say about that. Good night and good luck.